Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are all fine. In this video I'll explain which operating system is perfect for you if you are a gamer or a programmer or even a multiple tasker. Now let me explain. Today's operating systems are conceptually upside down. They developed the hard way, gradually struggling upward from the machinery, processors, memories, disks, and displays toward the user. In the future, operating system and information management tools will go top down. Now, let me explain a bit more for you. If you are a gamer, let me give you a quick recommendation about Atlas operating system. That actually a Windows 10 operating system, but it's totally optimized for gaming purpose. You will not get any kind of updates. Later on you need to download the latest ISO. That's I think a major issue. Overall it's a perfect guys. Recently I just downloaded it on my Core 2 operating system. That actually 4 GB RAM and 2 point I think 3 gigabytes the processor frequency speed. Now this operating system works super cool on their operating system instead of Windows 10, or even more better than Windows 7. It gives you a lot of benefits like less memory usage and less stress on your processor performance. You can read all the information related to the Atlas operating system on the official website. Link is mentioned below. Just go ahead, check it out. And the interface of the website, you can see here the download button is here. Simply click on it and you will get a ISO file around I think 1.50 gigabyte. It's a small ISO file. You can just simply download it, and you can see why Atlas OS is important for you. Reduce the processes. That means you will get a quick latency performance and memory efficiency, and more storage you will get with this operating system. Pro privacy options is available for your best privacy settings like security. And that's it guys. That's why I'm recommending you go with Atlas for better FPS boost and also the latency performance for your operating system. So if you are a low-end PC user, then just go ahead on this Atlas OS website. Link is mentioned below in the description. Just go ahead, check it out. After that, let's move on the Microsoft operating systems. Actually those are famous: the Windows 7, the Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now here's the big deal guys with error. If you are still waiting on Windows 7 or using the Windows 8.1, then you will face lot of issues while playing the latest versions of softwares or games. Like recently I have made lot of solutions for Valorant error where dependency errors appear, but still pupils saying that it's not work for them just because of the older operating system. Windows 7 is not gonna you will not get any update from now. Windows 7, it's out of dated. Even the Windows 8.1 is now out of dated. You cannot install all the softwares on Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 because developers not supporting them right now. I'm using the Camtasia recorder and it's not working on Windows 7. It's absolutely not working supporting the Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. Now let's move on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I think both operating systems are perfect. The performance are equal, but the main thing is the TPM and secure boot. That's the future guys. That's the latest technology. Most of the computers are not supporting the TPM and the secure boot. Even my computer is not supporting. I'm using the i5 3rd generation, and almost it's good for gaming and the editing purpose, but still it's not supporting the TPM. Sorry, it's support TPM but not, it's not supporting TPM but supporting secure boot. So that's why I'm using right now the Windows 10. Might be in future I'll move on Windows 11, but still I will face lot of issues because of TPM. So if you are buying a new PC, then make sure that PC should be support the TPM and secure boot. Now both operating systems are working super fine right now. But if you are facing these kind of issues, then I'm recommending you go with Windows 10. Otherwise, just go with Windows 11, because a lot of new features are available on Windows 11, and even the developers are working on TPM and Secure Boot. So if you are using the Windows 11, you will not face any kind of error related to TPM or Secure Boot. So I'm recommending you guys go with Windows 11. The method to download Windows operating system is very simple. Simply download the media creation tool from Microsoft official website. After downloading, simply open it. It's around 10 or 11 MB, I think so. Now all the getting a few things ready for you, it's all processed on through your internet. So if you have a better internet connection, then don't worry about it. It will not take much time. If you are using the slower internet, then you can say that sit tight. Getting a few things ready. Once again, just wait a few seconds and you will get a message like this. Now check this option and just click simply on next, because there's nothing like to change. Only you can change the language. If you have issue with language, then you can change it. Otherwise, there is nothing to change. Simply click on next. Just check that option. Okay, now simply check this option, click on next. You will get again two options. Now if you want to make a bootable pen drive, then simply go with the upper option. Otherwise, if you need a backup of your Windows operating system ISO file, so then go with ISO file. It's all depend on you. I'm recommending you guys go with ISO file, because later on you don't need to download again the Microsoft operating system. Simply you can make your USB pen drive bootable, and that's easier way. You can just make a backup of your operating system as a ISO file. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just drop your comment. I'll respond you as soon as possible for me. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.